Out here checking out the FanttikOutdoor Alpha C4 Ultra. This is their instant cabin. This will be our first time setting it up. Let's see how easy it is to set up. So it's got a capacity of 4. Then you can sleep 2 comfortably. Fits a queen size air mattress. And then we have the setup instructions here. Pretty simple. Let's put it together. Just let it open up. And that center part just pops up. It's that easy to set up. It's super roomy inside. You've got doors on both sides. You've got a screened top. There's a tarp we can put over the top as well. Truly easy to set up, and it'll be easy to put down as well. Hope this helps.